There have been a number of price benchmarks set for Tesla over the years, some of which the automaker has achieved and even beyond, and others of which it has fallen short of. Do you believe that Tesla's stock might eventually reach $5,000 per share? Nevertheless, in light of the company's present and future prospects as well as its fundamentals? Hey guys, glad to see you back. Tesla shares despite supply chain issues and inflation. Tesla has grown despite the challenging market conditions. As a result, stock investors like Chamat Palihapitiya believe that the car company will continue to grow in terms of car production and demand despite these market challenges. The stock investor has expressed his concerns about the global recession, which has been adversely affecting companies like Tesla, but he still has a positive outlook for the future of Tesla and has possibly boosted his price objective for the stock of the company. In the upcoming years, Tesla's stock price will hit $5,000. Before we begin, discover out by continuing to watch. Please click the like button if you enjoy this kind of content. For the latest information on Tesla, subscribe and enable alerts. Chamat Palihapitiya, a Canadian venture capitalist and the CEO of Social Capital, has always been a strong Tesla supporter. According to the wealthy investor, Tesla CEO Elon Musk will become the first trillionaire in 2021, when the stock may be worth 3 times what it is currently valued at. The Tesla bull also urged investors not to sell their stock in a CNBC interview, urging them to support Musk and other business people who have made the decision to forego short-term gains in favor of long-term goals. He spoke, "I don't get why people are so focused on selling things at work when things are going well, because you are paid to stick with experts. And this man has constantly been one of the most significant business people in the world, so why would you want to bet against him?" Probably, although the stock investor had at some point in 2021 sold his Tesla shares, he still thinks that the vehicle firm is worth investing in for the long future. Abhatiya is a strong supporter of the energy industry and sees significant profitability in it. Tesla has also been referred to as a distributed energy company by Palihapitiya in the past. I believe Musk was working on a means to harness energy, store it, and then use it to help people be productive and combat climate change. He previously tweeted that he believes someone fighting climate change would become the world's first trillionaire, and Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, or someone similar, may very well be that person. He added that providing clean energy and enabling sustainability are very significant things that would be appreciated in the future by markets and people. Palihapitiya continued by saying that the utility and power industry was suitable for distribution and that the infrastructure for energy production contained trillions of dollars worth of bonds. The Tesla bull predicts that Tesla's worth will double or triple when this opportunity is taken advantage of in the future. He thinks the stock is undervalued because, as you said, many people don't comprehend Tesla's stock. Palihapitiya raised his price target for Tesla from 339 to 700 and changed it from underperform to sector perform. Based on its vehicle's VIN region model hardware and other characteristics in 2019, a CNBC research similarly compared Tesla shares to purchasing a computer. About once a month, the automaker publishes a significant update that introduces new features, safety upgrades, and improvements for the future. Updates for Tesla's EVs are not entirely like those for mobile devices, where everyone may immediately download them. There are a few reasons Tesla doesn't update all of its vehicles at once, but the primary one is that it seeks to reduce risk and evaluate an update's effectiveness by releasing a date gradually. Before a possible problem has a chance to negatively impact a significant number of vehicles, Tesla quickly iterates on its upgrades and concentrates on customer input and bug solutions. Although some users may claim that updates are having trouble downloading, this can easily be fixed by contacting Tesla's customer support to determine if there is a problem with the car. Abhatiya thinks Musk has an advanced technological understanding that he has applied to all of his businesses. Musk is credited by the Tesla bull as being the company's growth engine, and this is accurate. Musk stated in March of this year that he was working on a master plan pass-through for Tesla. When a Tesla employee inquired about the specifics of this new plan, Musk was forced to explain that Part 3 of the plan is all about achieving a very huge scale. According to Musk, Part 3 will be large enough to genuinely change the entire Earth's energy system. According to the CEO of Tesla, a very large-scale change must be made in order to affect the entirety of Earth's energy and transportation infrastructure. This may be similar to Tesla's first and second plans from earlier in a decade. He detailed Tesla's initial master plan in a blog post he wrote in August 2006. He developed Part 2 in 2016, right when Tesla was creating Model 3 and acquired SolarCity. Essentially, these were the final two steps in the new plan from the carmaker. Musk stressed the new Tesla Energy Division's merger of NG storage with the production of renewable energy. He mentioned the development of solar roofs and Tesla's emphasis on self-driving technology in vehicles, which has now emerged as one of the company's top goals. Musk has a strong belief in Tesla, much like many bulls do, as is probably their tendency. Tesla will eventually become the most valuable firm, according to Elon Musk. Musk stated in response to a tweet that Tesla might surpass Ramco as the most valuable firm ever if its market cap for creating sustainable energy products exceeds that of Ramco's production of fossil fuels. You are aware that Earth will prosper in the future. Musk recently reaffirmed his belief that a Tesla pass may be worth more than Apple and Saudi Arabia put together. With a market cap of over $690 billion, Tesla ranks as the sixth largest company in the world. However, it is clear that much more work will be required to defeat these two businesses. Given how impressively well Tesla has been doing in its markets, Polymore thinks that the electric vehicle business is clearly in Tesla's favor. With a market share of more than 68% in the US, Tesla continues to rule the country. While this percentage is slowly falling as new EVs enter the market, Tesla is continuously increasing its US delivery volumes. More electric vehicle options are only anticipated to increase as the U.S. market expands, but for the time being, the U.S. EV market is still incredibly reliant on Tesla's output and deliveries. According to data from the European passenger car market for August, 20% of all new car sales were EVs. Tesla's Model Y led this market with 711 sales, while the Model 3 was among the top 10 and ranked 8th with 2938 sales. There is little doubt that Tesla will continue to rule the EV market for a number of years to come, which is why the majority of Tesla bulls anticipate it. Addressing the need from Tesla, according to the legislature, Tesla has a rising demand that will persist if the necessary infrastructure can be built to meet that need. Many other analysts concur that Tesla continues to face greater demand than it can meet. Musk revealed in July that Tesla was producing and shipping all the Model Y and Model 3 vehicles that its customers were prepared to purchase. Tesla does not have an issue with customer demand, according to Musk. The Tesla CEO attributed the third quarter's lower than expected delivery total on transportation problems. There is a significant demand for Tesla's EVs, as evidenced by its aggressive growth plan to increase manufacturing at facilities in Austin, Texas, Shanghai, and Berlin over the course of the upcoming year. According to Morgan Stanley, Adam Jonas had previously said that while Tesla does not now facing a demand issue, it should exercise caution when setting prices and in terms of its capacity to predict economic cycles. According to Jonas, it would be irrational to believe that Tesla has a price ceiling beyond which demand will not expand and to believe that the company is not vulnerable to slowing macroeconomic growth. Tesla is undoubtedly on track to become the most valuable corporation in the world, and when that happens, the stock price may reach $5,000. Do you share my opinion? Comment below and let us know. Remember to share your Tesla valuation with us. Go ahead and click the next video on your screen if you want to learn more about what Tesla has been up to recently. Hello there.